So today in this video I'm showing you guys how to get the slide to unlock back on the lock screen on iOS 10 beta 1. So if you didn't already notice, on iOS 10 slide to unlock has now been completely removed. If you slide you get the widget section on the lock screen. Now to unlock the device you have to press the home button and then enter your password. So in this video I'm showing you guys how to get the old style lock screen, the iOS 9 style lock screen, back on your iOS 10 device, no jailbreak and without downgrading to iOS 9. So you'll still have all the other iOS 10 features, but you will have the old lock screen back if you prefer that. So you guys can see here, I have my iPod 6 and this is running iOS 10. You can see here in these settings. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So for this you'll need a Mac or Windows PC, and we're going to need to download a couple of things. So first of all, go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website here, icopybot.com, and you want to download iBackupBot. So you can see here, iBackupBot for Windows, iBackupBot for Mac. Now download free trial, one of these, and once you've got that, you will have iBackupBot right here. So what this basically does is it allows you to edit iTunes backups. So what we're going to do first of all is back up the device, so we have a backup to modify. So open up iTunes and connect the device to the computer. You can see mine's already connected, iPod Touch, and it is on iOS 10. So we're just going to go down here, make sure it's a local backup on the computer, so this computer, and make sure you do not encrypt it. If you encrypt it, this will not work. So you just want to click on that, back up now, don't transfer, and wait for it to back up everything on your device. Alright, and there we go, the device will lock itself and the backup is complete. Alright, so once you've made your backup, you want to go open up iBackupBot, and it will search through all your iTunes backups. It may take a while and you'll probably get a lot of errors pop up, and you don't always, but errors like this, just ignore these, click OK, and here you have a list of backups. Now these will be all the backups on your computer, so make sure you find the specific one for this device and the most recent one you did, otherwise you won't have all the data that you had just now. So I'm going to choose this one, I did this one earlier, and you're going to open it, go to System Files, Home Domain, Library, and scroll down to Preferences. Now this will open over here and you'll see loads of plist files. So you want to scroll down until you find com.apple.springboard.plist. Now this is where all the Springboard settings are stored. So we're going to click on this, click on the close button, and you'll see this. So we get this opened up in a plist editor. Now in here we can edit the values, or we can add our own values into here. So what we need to do is use the code that will be in the description, these two lines right here, SB enable dashboard false. Now basically the dashboard is the new iOS 10 lock screen, and we're basically setting it to false, so it's going to display the iOS 9 one instead. So right at the top, underneath this plist version and this open indict here, you want to return one, paste that in, and you can save it, and then close that, and there you go. That's all the modification you need. So you can close out of iBackupBot, go back into iTunes, connect your device again, turn off Find My iPod or Find My iPhone, and now go to this computer, restore backup, and select the one that you modified. So this was 1802, the one I modified. Select that, restore, and use older backup, and it will restore the backup. So just wait for that to happen. Your device will reboot a couple times, and you'll be on the iOS 9 lock screen on iOS 10. Alright, so once your device reboots once, you have to slide to upgrade, put in your password, and you'll get one of the standard iOS sliders as it upgrades. And once your device finally boots up, you'll be greeted with the iOS 9 lock screen, the slide to unlock. Not only that, but you'll have the camera grabber back in the bottom corner. And yeah, everything about the lock screen is the same as on iOS 9. But you'll notice that you are still on iOS 10. We haven't downgraded or anything like that. So I'll quickly show you here. If we go into the settings app, you guys can see that the device is still running iOS 10. And you still have all the other iOS 10 features, such as the new control center and the widgets page instead of on the spotlight search page. So yeah, that is how you get slide to unlock back on iOS 10. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or errors, then leave a comment or talk to me on Twitter at BLS1000. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.